Hello good viewers, welcome back once again. Today we're going to solve for the values of x in the following given quartic equation. X to the power of 4 minus x squared, this is equal to 12. First of all, let us record this property that a to the power of b raised to the power of c, this is same as a to the power of b times c. So for the left hand side of this equation, x to the power of 4 is same as x to the power of 2 multiplied by 2. Then here we have minus x squared. From here we have minus 12. This is equal to 0. Now using this property, we can write the first term here as x squared in bracket squared minus x squared minus 12. This is equal to 0. So from here we're going to make a substitution. We're going to let x squared equals y. So from here we get y squared minus y minus 12. This is equal to 0. So at this point here, we need to factorize or solve this equation by factorization method, right? So how are we going to factorize this? So we need to take note that if you multiply this first term by the constant here, we have a negative 12y squared. And here we have the second term here as negative y, right? So here we're going to find two terms that their product will give us negative 12y squared and their sum will give us a negative y. So the two terms here, we're expecting it will be negative 4y and 3y, right? So negative 4y times 3y will give us negative 12y squared, and negative 4y plus 3y will give us negative y. So here we have y squared. So instead of negative y, we'll write it as negative 4y plus 3y, right? Then minus 12, this is equal to 0. So from here we can factor out y, and we are left with y minus 4. Then from here we factor out 3, and we are left with y minus 4. This is equal to 0. So from here, this implies that y plus 3 multiplied by y minus 4, this is equal to 0. So from here, we get y plus 3 is equal to 0, or y minus 4 is equal to 0. From here, we get y is equal to negative 3, and from here, y is equal to 4. Okay. Now, let us recall that x squared is equal to y, right? So we need to recall x squared is equal to y. So case 1, when y is equal to negative 3, so we get x squared is equal to negative 3. And when we take root of both sides, we get x is equal to plus or minus root of negative 3, which is equal to plus or minus I root 3. So this is an imaginary solution, right? Then case 2, when y is equal to 4, we get here x squared is equal to 4, right? So if we take root of both sides, we get x is equal to plus or minus root of 4, which is equal to plus or minus 2, right? So here we have the solutions. So we have x is equal to, we have plus or minus 2, or we have x is equal to plus or minus I root of 3, and these are the solutions. Thank you for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. Also like, comment, and share. Bye bye.